Welcome trainees. Today, we are going to discuss about part 3 in week number 34. In week number 34, we are going to discuss about the topics of 1. Chucks and chucking, 2. Mounting and dismounting of chuck, and last, faceplate, drilling, and boring. In part 3, we are going to discuss about faceplate, drilling, and boring. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to state the types of faceplate, state the uses of faceplates, state the drilling process done in a lathe, state the methods of holding the drill in the tailstock, state the operation boring, state the different types of boring tools. First, we are going to see the definition of faceplate. A work can be mounted on a faceplate, while the faceplate is on the lathe spindle or on the workbench. If the workpiece is heavy or awkward to hold, the workpiece is mounted, while the faceplate is on the workbench. Before mounting the faceplate set up to the spindle, it is advantageous to locate the workpiece on the faceplate and center the workpiece. Center a punch mark or hole approximately on the faceplate. This makes it easier to through the work after the faceplate is mounted onto the spindle. Then, we are going to see types of faceplate. The different types of faceplates are 1. Faceplates with only elongated radial slots. 2. Faceplates with elongated slots, T-slots. And 3rd, faceplates with elongated radial slots and additional parallel slots. And next, we are going to see application of faceplate. The application of the faceplate with accessories in different setups is shown in the sketches below. Second, we are going to discuss about drilling. Before doing internal operation like boring, reaming, and tapping. Although lathe is not a drilling machine, time and effort are saved by using the lathe for drilling operations. The headstock and tailstock spindle should be aligned for all drilling, reaming, and tapping in order to produce a true hole. Straight shank and taper shank drills can be held in the tailstock spindle as held in the drilling machine spindle using drill chuck sleeve and sockets. Since the tailstock spindle has the most taper. Let's see the methods of holding drills in a tailstock. The different methods of holding drill in the tailstock are 1. By using drill chuck. 2nd. By directly fitting in the tailstock spindle. 3rd. By using drill sleeve. And the last method is by using drill socket. And 3rd, we are going to discuss about definition of boring. Boring is the operation of enlarging and truing a hole produced by drilling, punching, casting, or forging. Boring cannot originate a hole. Boring is similar to the external turning operation, whereas a boring bar with a tool bit attached to it is suitable for machining a large hole. The depth of cut is given by the cross-slide screw, and the feed is effected by the longitudinal travel of the carriage. Next, we are going to see types of boring tool. First one is solid forged tools. Solid forged boring tool is made from HSS with the end forged and ground. It resembles a left-hand turning tool, and the operation is performed from right to left. They are used for light duty and on small diameter holes. There are two types of solid forged tools. First type is solid boring tool. Second type is solid forged bar in a tool holder. Second type of boring tool is boring bars with inserted bits. Square and round tool bits made from HSS are inserted and fixed in the boring bar. The inserts can be set at an angle of 30 degrees, 45 degrees, or 90 degrees in the bar. It is used for heavier cuts than those made by the solid boring tool. For plain boring, the inserts are set square to the axis of the bar. For facing the shoulder, or threading up to the shoulder, the inserts are set at an angle. Boring bars used are of two types. First type is plain boring bar, and the second type is end cap boring bar. To boost your brain power, we are going to play one quiz related to this topic. The question is, what is the method of holding drill in the tailstock given below? The options are A. Directly fitted, B. Using drill chuck, C. Using socket, and D. Using sleeve. Yes, you are right. The answer is C. Using socket. With this, we are completed the topic of faceplate, drilling, and boring in part 3 of week number 34. We are successfully completed all the parts in week number 34. I will be back with new interested topics in next videos. Thank you.